I've just sent you a mail. Kindly check. Okay, let me check. Oh yes, it has come through.
Hello everyone.
Thank you very much.
As we saw in the video, two colleagues were able to exchange mails from this computer to the other computer, and the friend confirmed receiving the mail. Now I am going to show you how the other friend or colleague managed to receive the email through what is called the packet tracer. So the packet tracer is an application or a software which is used to demonstrate the skeleton or postmortem of what's transpired here. So this is the computer, that is the hub, and then another computer that side. So let's take a look at the packet tracer.
Now, what is open on our screen is the packet tracer system itself, of which I'm going to add the nodes. The first one we're going to add is the router, which will be the main interface. Then that's another PC and another one that we have added, which will be connected together by a switch. That's a switch, and then we need to get the Ethernet cables that we're going to connect these computers. So Ethernet cable number 1 will run from laptop 0 to the switch, and then we put another one from laptop 2 to the switch. That's a PC number 0 to the switch. Then from the switch, another Ethernet cable will be used to connect to the router. Having done that, these machines need to be given addresses, so I am going to configure each one of them. That's we'll begin with the router, which is the main hub, and we are going to configure the background, the in command line. So that's the configuration from the command line, which is different from that of the other machines. So first, configure the interface. So that it has given that, configure the terminal itself. It's a command for the interface, so that the machine can be able to interface with others, and it's on fast Ethernet. Okay, 00. So we are in the configuration of the interface. We are adding the IP addresses, which are in physical, they are related to the addresses, the normal addresses, the mail addresses. 192.168.0.1. It's .1 because the router is the main device. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay. Alright, to press enter, we continue with configuration. At this time, we have said no shutdown. We have opened the link from the router, and now we need to configure the console of the router. So we are going to copy the running configuration. So those are the configuration. Okay, let's just build the configuration so that the machine can be ready. Okay, we are exiting, it's ready. So the router now is available. As you can see, all the nodes are connected and they're showing green. So let us try to send a packet from one computer to another. Let's see, but first we need to configure the laptops. We configure the nodes. The addresses will range from .2 up to .3, and that's for the laptop. We're configuring it as .2. That's a laptop, that's a machine that is going to send the email to another machine. We're configuring it at .2. Okay, the default gateway is the router. Okay, we configure the other for now, and then the other machine. Okay, it will be at .3. So simply copy, paste and change. Subnet mask is there. We maintain the gateway, and then we put the DNS server which we may have used earlier, yes, which is 422.422. Okay, now we can try to send the message. Let's see how the message is going. It's a simulation. We pick the machine that is going to send the message, which is laptop number 1. Okay, it has sent the message to the switch, and then the switch sends the message to the router, which of course it has shown that there is communication from the router to the other machine. Direct from the switch to the other machine, there is no communication, and so unless if it goes through the router, that's when we have communication.
Okay, now we are done. We have seen how the colleague here would manage to send the email to the other colleague that side. So this is how the packet tracer is used to demonstrate the movement of packets from one computer to the other. I was your presenter.